PBMA community. This is Alexis Olson for the Wave Makers, bringing you closer to the action and stories happening within our school community. We will be featuring behind-the-scenes content, inspiring narratives, and highlights from our middle and high school students.
PBMA Secondary Campus welcomes students and staff back to the school for the academic year 2025 to 2026 with great enthusiasm and anticipation. The new school year marks a fresh start for students, teachers, and staff to work together towards achieving academic excellence. The school year promises to be an exciting one with various academic activities and celebrations planned throughout the year. Meanwhile, here's Zoe for our first day high update.
Thank you, Alexis. I'm here at PBMA Secondary asking random students random questions about their first day experience so far at PBMA. Hi, I'm Zoe. I'm here with
Nayeli.
What's your favorite thing about PBMA so far?
I guess the people, they're fun.
That's good to hear. What's one thing you hope to achieve this year?
I'm hoping to achieve good grades this year, maybe all A's, but that's a little bit, so at least A's and B's.
Good afternoon. I'm here with
Madison.
What's one thing you're looking forward to learning this year?
One thing I'm looking forward to learning this year is probably something for my finance class.
All right, we're back at it again with another student. What's your name and what grade are you in?
I'm Sabrina. I'm in 11th.
All right. Is there anything you're nervous about this year?
Honestly, no, not really. I've been to the school for a long time. I know the ups and downs of it, and I know the teachers. I'm not really nervous or anything.
That's good. Another question that I'm going to ask you today. What's your favorite thing about PBMA so far?
I'd say the curriculum. I feel like a lot of the classes and things that they offer for us help us a lot, especially because it's a Maritime Academy. If you're looking to do something based off of marine, aquatic activities, this is honestly a good school to go to. I'm trying to do early graduation this year. I'm going to try and work my hardest towards that, and I hope I can make that happen.
That's good to hear. That's it for our first day back of high school experience. Back to you, Alexis.
Thank you, Zoe. Stay informed about the latest happening here at the secondary campus. Again, this is Alexis Olson for the Wave Makers.